So for writing today, you're going to need your story map that you completed yesterday, and you're also going to need your blank book that was sent home, okay? So when you're looking at your story map, today we're only focusing on the first step and the second step, okay? Just the first two. That's all we're doing today. Looking at mine from yesterday when I did the how to build a snowman, I'm looking at my first step, and it said first make a snowball. So I'm going to come over, I'm going to look at my blank piece of paper, and I'm going to get a pencil, and I'm going to write first make a snowball. And we remember that good writers always have a capital letter, and they always need punctuation or an ending mark, remember? Okay? Now remember, we're trying to teach someone how to do this. So you notice that Miss Evers didn't put, I made a snowball. No, I'm using like real instruction words. First, make a snowball. It's kind of like when Miss Evers is trying to teach you to do something or trying to tell you, first we're going to do this, then we're going to do this. That's kind of how you need to write as well. So first, make a snowball. You write that whole sentence. We're not worried about spelling. You're just going to try and stretch it out and do your very best, okay? So first we're going to write our sentences. So I already have step 1 done, right? I said make the snowball. Now let's look at my second step. Then you roll the snowball and make it bigger. So if my first step was on page 1, my second step is going to be on page 2. So you're going to have to open up your book. And I'm going to write my sentence. Then you roll the snowball and make it bigger. So I did step 1 and step 2. And you see, I wrote my sentences first. Now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to draw my pictures. And that's what you can do too. Write your sentences, draw your pictures, okay? And we're not going to color today. That'll be later this week, all right? Make sure you're doing real pictures, drawing from certain points of view, right? We talked about looking through our eyes or looking through someone else's eyes to draw a picture. If you look at my story map that I did yesterday, how I drew that snowball, kind of looks like you're looking through my eyes at my hands holding the snowball, right? All right, so hopefully that helps a little bit. All right, good luck.